second shifting theory or second shift theory. Already we have discussed the statement of this theorem. Okay, so this theorem, what is the statement? If Laplace transform of f of t, okay, equals to capital F of s, the any function f of t, okay, then for a positive constant, okay, small a, okay, for this constant, okay, what is the Laplace transform of the function? That is actually unit step function. It is Heaviside t minus a equals to, we can write e to the power minus a into s by f of s. Okay. Okay. So this one we have already stated the last class. Now proof of that one. Okay. How can you prove this one? Very simple. This one from the definition. Okay. So by the definition of Laplace transform, okay, we get what is the Laplace transform of this one. So Laplace transform of this part, okay, so just see Laplace transform of, so I will write like that, Laplace transform of f of t minus a, okay, into Heaviside function or step, you can say unit step function. This one definition is integration 0 to infinity, okay, e to the power, e to the it is into function f of t minus a into h of t minus a into e to the power minus st dt. So that is the definition. Okay. So now if we break this integration limit 0 to infinity and 0 to a and a to infinity, so we can write like that, this integration 0 to a the same dt plus a to infinity the same dt. Okay, so this one, this is the underlying part. Okay, so here now if you see 0 to a, we know that this function, okay, this Heaviside function, in the last class we have already discussed this Heaviside function. Yeah, is it visible or not?
Yes sir, it's visible.
Okay, visible. Okay, so this one is, can you remember this one? What is the answer? Okay, that one is we know that this one only, this part. So this part is 1 if t greater than a, okay, and 0 otherwise, correct now? So otherwise it is 0. So now 0 greater than a, this part second integration is only greater than a, but if you consider the t for the first integration, it is less than of a. That means the limit is 0 to a, which is less than a. So we can say that this limit is, sorry, this integration function is 0, but this limit, this integration is f of t minus a into e to the power minus st dt. But this one is 0 into Heaviside, 0 into e to the power minus st dt. So first integration is 0 itself. Okay. So what will be the second integration? So Laplace transform of the space. So what is the Laplace transform? Laplace transform of that original function f of t minus a into Heaviside function of t minus a. We can write a to infinity, okay, f of t minus a into e to the power minus st, okay, minus st dt. This integration we have to find. Okay, so that one actually we now will find the integration. Okay, now if we write t minus a to a some new variable capital T, so dt equals to capital dt, and what is the limit when t tends to a, this one, okay, lower limit, that implies capital T equals to 0, correct? And when t tends to infinity, What is capital T?
Infinity.
Infinity. So now, so using this concept, we can write 0 to infinity. Okay, f of capital T into e to the power minus s into, okay, small t means what is answer? T plus a.
Capital T plus A.
Capital T plus a, and dt will be replaced by capital dt. Okay, so we can write this integration again, 0 to infinity f of t, capital T, e to the power minus st into e to the power minus as, okay, dt. Okay, so now you just see this one is independent of capital T. So this one we can take outside of this integration, e to the power as a constant. So 0 to
Laplace transform of
0 to capital F of t is e to the power minus st capital T into dt. So this one is nothing but the Laplace transform of capital F of t. Correct. So we can write e to the power, before that, e to the power minus as integration 0 to infinity, okay, f of t e to the power minus st dt. Can we write? Capital T is equals to any t, or you can write capital T equals to y. Then it will be y, f of y sy dy. So what is this definition? This is nothing but the, yeah. So now what you got actually, this one Laplace transform of, I will write the final answer here, e to the power minus as into capital F of s. Capital F of s is nothing but the, you know that one, f of s is nothing but the Laplace transform of f of t. Correct. So now this box part is important. Okay, this is the Laplace transform of Heaviside function, and that is actually Laplace transform of the function multiplied with Heaviside function. That means it is the statement of the second shift theory. So this is the proof. Up to this one you have to prove. Hence proved, you can write. Okay. So this is the case. So simple one, you can use directly the definition of Laplace transform, and then you can find the you can prove the that one. What is that called? Second shift theory. Now next one is, we will discuss regarding inverse. Okay, inverse. Okay, of, okay, or inverse using, we better to write like that, inverse using second shift theory. So what is second shift theory? So this is the statement, second shift theorem. Okay, this is the second shift theory. Correct. This is the second shift theorem. Now using this one, you can write, just I will ask you to prompt. Okay, now next final one. So inverse SST, inverse of, okay, that means inverse using second shift theory. So I will write once again here. Okay, Laplace transform of f of t minus a into h of t minus a equals to, we know that it is minus as into capital F of s. So this one. Okay, so this is our known one. So what is the inverse Laplace transform? So if we take the inverse Laplace transform of the right hand side, we will get the left hand side return. Correct now? So inverse or inversion. Okay, what is that? Inversion of second, okay, second shifting theory. Okay, second shifting theory. Okay, what we will get actually, Laplace inverse transform, okay, to the power minus a into s into f of s. Okay, this one. Okay, so this is the function. What we will get? F of t minus a into h of t minus a. Okay, so no need to find the this integration or okay, anything, directly you will get the inverse transform of this function. Now, this one you can simplify a little bit, okay? Now? So, what we actually we know that on just it will be useful for solving the inverse of a given function. So, inverse Laplace transform of a given function. So, this one we know f of t, correct? And we have already studied that this one we can write in that form, okay, f of t into h of t. Okay, this one we know that one already we have studied earlier. Okay, now simply. So now this one what we can write? Okay, so this Laplace transform, instead of writing this one, okay, what we can write? Now we can write this one also, f of t into h of t. Okay, when after finding this one, okay, you have to replace t by t minus a, correct? And okay, so what I have, this is, I have not changed anything, correct? Now it's same, remaining same. You just check, if you check this box, okay, and now I am changing the box, okay, different color. Okay, you just tell me any difference. Can you find any difference between these two? Sorry, two box, one is blue, one is green. What is the difference? Nothing, no? So now t replaced by t minus a, right hand side means the earlier one. But you just see, what is this one here, from here? What is this one? This one is inverse Laplace transform of capital S, capital F of S. And what is capital F of S? Capital F of S, we know that capital F of S is nothing but the Laplace transform of f small f of t, correct? So our first target to find the inverse, okay, of any function, okay, using the second shift inversion. First you find the capital F of S, capital F of S. And after finding this capital F of S, find the inverse of this function, okay, f of t. Then you apply this inverse form of the second shifting theory. I will discuss, okay, using one problem. Okay. So these are the, first one is blue one, okay. Second one is the green one, and final one is, if I say, if I use some other color, okay, black one, let us see, this one. So this three. So ultimately black one, simultaneously this one also we need. So this is the case, this black are important. Okay. So first blue, then green, then black. Now I will go to the next place, next place, and we will discuss one problem. Already we have studied in the last class. Okay, problem, that one. We should have pen and paper. Okay, now. So first express, okay, in unit step function, okay, and then find the Laplace transform. Okay, so this one is second shifting theorem application, and then next problem, today we will discuss two problems. This is actually application of second shifting theorem, and then second problem we will consider the inverse Laplace transform. Okay, so initial part already we have discussed for this problem. Okay, so what is that? Now f of t, okay, f of t equals to 2t square, okay, if t greater than equals to 0, less than 3, okay, t plus 4 if t greater than equals to 3, less than 5, and it is say 9, okay, if t greater than equals to 5. So this one already we have considered. So we have to write Heaviside function, unit step function first, okay, and then you have to find the Laplace transform. Okay, so first already we have discussed. So in unit step function form, what is the function form? Okay, the function we can write f of t equals to, already we have discussed, so I will not discuss too much. 2t square h of t. Can you remember what is the next one?
T plus 4 minus 2t square into Heaviside of t minus 3.
Good. T minus 3. Next one is
9 minus of t plus 4 into Heaviside of t minus 5.
5. Correct. So simplify, if we simplify it, then I will get the form of this type of form. Okay, 2t square h of t. Okay, minus. Okay, so this one, this part I will write like that, minus 2 into t minus 3 whole square plus 11 t minus 3 plus 11. Okay, h of t minus 3. Why I have written like that, t minus 3 whole square? So why, just see the, now you understood, I think so. This is the f of t minus 3. So if Heaviside function is t minus 3, the function also should be written in terms of t minus 3. Correct? So for that purpose, so that we can use directly this second shift theory, SST, so that we can use SST to find the Laplace transform, okay, of the given function, this form. Okay, so this form. So now I will go to the page. Okay, this one. So now understood, 9 minus 5 minus 4, what form we have to write? So what will be the answer? So this is the first, actually 2 minus 2t square plus t minus, sorry, plus 4 if you write. Okay, and if you write in the form of t minus 3, so this is the form. So now last one is minus t minus 5. It is simple one, so very simple, no need to do any calculation. So here actually this part, okay, if you do the fraction form, okay, so sorry, factorial form, okay, so you will get like that, 2 into t minus 3 whole square. Okay, this one, okay, this one. So now, okay, now we'll take Laplace transform, okay, of both sides of the function. Okay, so I have actually,
Sir, can you explain that part once again?
yeah, sure. So this one is okay, or this one also